Succeed with ease, affiliate marketing tips for pros. Your technology resources may play a large role in selecting your ideal affiliate marketing strategy. Keep the product and the target audience in mind as well. Affiliate marketing is not a matter of spamming everyone to get profits. To be a success, you must understand what you are doing and develop a successful strategy. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. The best affiliate marketing partners to work with are those that provide copious communication with their webmasters. Affiliates that have established robust customer service and feedback systems are easier to work with than fly-by-night advertisers. Partnering with affiliates that have plenty of support available will cut down on the hassle website owners have to go through to make affiliate marketing pay off. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. Implementing the ideas delineated above will help you pull in the right individuals and maximize your profit potential. As you spend time working in the market, it is likely that you will develop your own techniques. They might even surpass those mentioned in this video. Even as you advance your skills, you can never forget the basics. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.